Hello everyone, this is Ramzi. Within this video tutorial, we will see together how to edit the config PHP file in your website files. As you can see here, this is the folder, original folder of the website. It's business website, business startup. It's a random example. So we just need to double click on the folder in order to open it. Automatically we will see a bunch of folders and files. We will be interested only in this folder. It includes. Again, you will find this folder includes within your within the folder already you downloaded. Okay, now we double click on that. This is the file we were talking about, which will edit it in this video. Automatically right click on it and click on open. I did not install a random software in order to open the file, this kind of files, PHP files, and edit it. So I will use the default program, which is a text editor. And just to click here, select the program from a list and click on OK. Automatically there's a pop-up window with will appear asking me which program to choose. As I told you, I'm gonna use a default software because Notepad it is already installed in every operating system, Windows operating system, so I will not use always. You may leave this ticked box always, but I'm gonna untick it and choose on Notepad in order to open it with Notepad. I did not make it a complex task and use another software, but I will use, as I told you within this video, I will use a simple software. Right click, sorry, I click on OK. Automatically we will see the content of this config PHP. Maybe some people will be afraid of this content, but do not be afraid, because we will edit a certain space, a certain content. The first one is here in the third line, define between parentheses. Just you need to put your domain name. That's it. By default it's written www.yourdomain.com. just you need to put your domain name. Let's take an example that your niche is business website, and you bought a domain name businesswebsite.com, sorry, business startup. We need to provide that information, business startup.com. As you can see, we went to the third line and we put businessstartup.com. You can use the same, you can enter the same domain name in the other data, which is here, your domain.com. You need to put it again, businessstartup.com, or you can copy and paste. Just select business startup here, business startup, and you right click, copy, and you put it here. Okay, as you can see, paste, and you may put it here. Just be careful, paste. Okay, just you put it in these three lines here, the first one, and the second one here, and the third one, and you're done. Okay, again, it's here, in define between parentheses site URL, site underscore URL, then you put your domain name here. And the second one, define between parentheses cookie sorry underscore domain, and you put your domain name is businessstartup.com. Okay. And the third one, define between parentheses domain underscore name, and you put it here. Again, I will repeat that we choose in this video that our niche website is about the business startup. If it's about, I do not know, child protection or any other niche, you need to put the correct URL or domain name, sorry. The second modification is here. You find it here, AdSense settings. By default, once you receive the approval email from the team, the Google AdSense team, they will provide you a bunch of information. Within that information, you will find your AdSense ID. By default, in this config PHP file, there's an example, a random or an example fictitious ID, which is a bunch of ones here. But once you obtain yours, you need to put it here. So let's say it's I do not know, 2 3 4 5 F G H P etc. You put it here. See, it's in the AdSense settings sections, the third line, not here, here, just here, define between parentheses pub ID, and here. Okay, and you're done with this section. Okay, now we go to the Amazon settings section. Okay, you can read here. If you do not have an Amazon affiliate account, you need to join here, http://affiliate or program.amazon.com. Sorry, you can join this, and automatically we already did this in the previous one of the previous videos. So once you obtain your ID, you need to come here and put it here, Amazon Associates ID. It's after defined between parentheses Amazon. So here you need to put your Amazon affiliate ID or Amazon Associates ID. It's automatically, let's say it's GHYUIKR. So in order to be clear with you, these ID are random, are fictitious, so you need to copy and paste your Amazon Associate ID, copy it and put it here, or you may write it by your hands. And the same thing concerning the AdSense settings, and you're done. So let's go back to the beginning. We edited the 3 lines here, just your domain name here and here and here. Then we went to AdSense settings, and we wrote, or we copied and pasted your our AdSense ID. Then we went to the Amazon settings section, and we wrote down our ID concerning Amazon Associates and our affiliate, and we're done here. Okay, the final modification, which is link manager. You need to write down your admin email. Either it is a Gmail account, email address, or Yahoo, or wherever. Just you can automatically use, instead of you, admin, and your domain name, which is in our case, sorry, businessstartup.com, and we are done. So you need to create you need to put your here name and the name, the URL or the domain name. In our case, as I said, it's businessstartup.com. why we need to modify to edit this information. It's the email address that it's gonna show up in each receiver's mailbox. In other words, if I go to your website, in our case business startup, and put down some comments or anything else, or you can contact me, automatically once I receive an email from you, it will be from this email address you wrote it down, and you are done here. Just after we did all these changes, we go here on file and we click on save, and we're done here. So I want to state a couple of things. If you're not, for example, satisfied with the name of the sections in your website, which are here, you'll find them here, menu and my articles, as you can see in bold or in black, menu and my article. If you want to change this to, I do not know, another name, my article, you can I do not know, other article, or any name you want to use, you can go to the config PHP file and you change them here, which are my article and menu, precisely in under the Amazon settings and before the URL link names. Between these sections you can find the menu name and you can modify them as you want, menu and my article. Same thing concerning the other link names, contact us, sitemap, friends and home, which are displayed here. Home, friends and contact us. If you want to change them, I don't know, here my friends, our friends, home, in another one, other name, contact us, you can change it to contact, whatever, any modification, any change, you can come here in the URL link names. And do not forget, please, to click on file, save, and that's it. We're done here. Now we need to upload this edited file to the server in order to take an action. Before I go and show you anything, I want to tell you that I will not literally upload my file to the server because I do not want to make any changes, but I will show you the steps. All you need to do is to open your FileZilla program, and you go to the place where you uploaded, or sorry, where you saved your website folder. By default it's on the desktop of my PC, as you can see, desktop of my PC. Here the business startup. Now we're talking in this section, as we saw before, this is the section concerning your desktop or disk, hard disk of your desktop. Now we go to the includes folder in order to upload the config PHP, this one. Just again, it's on our desktop, so we find here the business startup, click on includes tab 2 times. Now scroll down in order to find the config PHP. This is the edited file. All we gotta do is to right click and upload. See? And I want to explain another thing, that you need to upload it to the includes file within the server. See? Now again, this is the website files, admin, cache, data, image, excuse me. Now you need to open includes within the server and right click, config the file, save it on the desktop, and click on upload. Automatically there's a pop-up, will ask me do I want to change the new files. As I told you earlier, that I will not change this, but if in your case you need to click on OK in order to make all the new modification and change. I wish you all the best, and in case of any needed explanation, please do not hesitate to contact us or by any mean stated within our website. All the best again, and thank you very much for your time.